Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. For the last 16 years, I've been building these tools and bringing you these tools and videos of software that we've built over time. A lot of it being demanded and asked by you. That has helped a lot of you, and I get those emails every week letting me know how our tools have helped you save time, save money, allow you to automate certain tasks, remove human error, and overall make your life just a little bit easier. And thank you for those emails, and just keep them coming. And today's tool is no exception. What we've got today is a tool that allows a lot of you to track IFTA miles, to track state-by-state miles which are needed for IFTA reporting. And as the end of the quarter is knocking on the door here, a lot of you are kind of saying, hey, how do I do my IFTA filing? How do I calculate my miles? And that's exactly what this tool does. Kind of going a little bit back for those who are not familiar with our tools. All of my tools are built in Excel. As such, there is nothing to install. What that means is that all you need is Excel in your installed in your computer. Usually a desktop version of Excel is fine. As all of our tools use Google Maps API, there is a great benefit to Google Maps API. As you can see, it allows the user to be very flexible on the type of addresses that you use. We can use zip code, we can use cities, obviously we can use full addresses, the Excel or the Google Maps API will make those addresses just be very flexible, right? So allow you to be very flexible in what types of addresses you enter. Obviously, the more detailed the address, the fuller the address, the more accurate the results. So let me kind of show you how it works. Let's say for a moment, Tracker Joe, he's got a list of trips that he did during the quarter. I've got here about 7 or so. Most likely you'll have a few dozen, maybe over 100 trips for the quarter. And he enters those in the spreadsheet. And once you do that, all he's got to do is click on Calculate. And what the tool will do is will calculate the total driving distance, and also will calculate the driving distance by state. I can click on any of these results, and as you can see, the tool will automatically highlight it and give me the state-by-state driving distance. Again, I can click on any one of these and it'll give me those individual trips broken down by state. If I want to summarize, which most likely you will do for IFTA reporting, all of my trips for the quarter, all I got to do is click on the summary button, and the tool will automatically give me all the miles driven by state for the quarter, and I can use those for my IFTA reporting. And really should be as easy as that. You can download the tool by clicking on the link in the description, and obviously my phone number, my email will be there. If you've got any questions, if there is something that I can help you in that, I do answer my phone. Unlike a lot of my competitors, even though this specific tool really doesn't have any competitors, there are no other Excel tools out there that will break down your trips by state. But feel free to reach out. I'd be more than happy to answer your questions or assist you with this one or any other custom tools that you need to make you more efficient and just allow you to run your business better. Thank you very much for watching this. Feel free to reach out again, and hope to hear from you. Make sure you like the channel, and let me know. Until next time, thank you.